There will be about 85 students in this production of the Nutcracker, which is more than we've ever had before. We also are launching a new children's program after the Saturday matinees, in which students and their parents or small children are able to come up onto the stage and do a workshop with the Academy Director, Raphael Arisco, meet the characters, and have a true backstage experience. We always like to see new faces and families and friends come together at the holidays for this special program. It's a huge community draw and everyone knows the story. It puts a smile on everyone's face. We all know the music, but for us, the Opera House is the place to be.